One of the largest purchases a homeowner will make is a heating and cooling system.
And it's usually purchased once in a lifetime.
And as an HVAC company, we have one opportunity to make a lasting impression.
At SumZero, we made it our mission to create an unbeatable experience.
There's a lot of information and new technology on the market, so when you invite us into your home, we take the time to answer your questions, show you the hard data, and inform you about every option and rebate available to you.
We pride ourselves in educating our customers so they feel fully confident in making the right decision for their homes.
If your bills are too high or your home is uncomfortable, our building science approach identifies your needs so we can build unique systems that are tailored specifically to your home.
Our house was old and cold, and we converted our early 1800s home from an oil heat system to an efficient ductless mini-split setup. We went with SumZero. They were our top choice because the solution they had for our space was creative. It addressed our needs, and it respected these intricacies of our home that were so challenging to deal with. It was also scalable, so it allowed us to grow the solution over time. And we've been so happy with the work.
For us, it's more than just an installation.
We plan to leave an impression in your home that lasts a lifetime.